Today I brought some plant parts for you to take a look at. I went outside and collected them. Let's look at this right here. Now this plant part has lots of parts to it. We have the flowers here. See those pretty flowers? Let's look at the inside of those flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. Now here's the other part of the plant. This right here, what is it called? Stem, you're correct. And these right here, they're kind of wilting up. What is that? If you said leaf, you're correct. Now, this is a flower that has been cut, so it's missing its roots. So I went outside and collected some parts of plants. Right here, we have a stem. This one is a stem with flowers. Here are some flower petals. Here's another stem with a tiny little flower on it. And look at this thing. This is a root. All of this was buried underneath the ground. All of that with this root. And of course we have some leaves here. Look at these two leaves. See how they're different? Look at the shapes of them. And we have some seeds right here. This is an acorn with this little cap. This is another acorn. And look at this. Do you know what that is? If you guessed fruit, you're right. This is a little fruit that was on the holly tree. I'm going to show you something else. Let me move this root over. Look at this plant right here. We can see parts of the plant here. We see the leaves. We see the stem. And look, we see the roots. Normally, from right here down, would be buried underneath soil. So why don't you get yourself a Ziploc bag today, go outside, and find you some plant parts. And once you find your plant parts, I bet it'd be fun to identify them. For example, you can get an index card, write the word seed on it. Let me move this over. Find seeds, match them up. We have here the word, root. Find the root, match it up. Let me move some of this over. Oh, here's one. It says stem. Here's a stem. Let me move the leaves out of the way. Match that up. This one says leaf. Move that root over a little bit. I'll put my leaf right there. Find some leaves, put it right beside it. Move this out of the way just a second. This one says flower. Put my flower right there. Find some flowers to put right beside it. Right here are some more flowers. Let me move the stem up there to be right next to it. And then, of course, I got fruit. Uh-oh, what happened to my fruit? Ah, they're hiding. And put my fruit out there. There you go. You can see that fruit better. You can see that fruit better. Go outside today. Take a Ziploc bag. See if you can find some plant parts. And see if you can label them when you come back in, just like I did.